In traditional programming, developers or programmers write explicit instructions to tell computer exactly what to do. The developer must explicitly program every action and decision. For instance, let's assume simple mathematical calculations using Python programming. The goal is to add two numbers. We will have to define a variable called num1, num2, and then a variable called sum, and we will perform arithmetic operation plus to add those numbers. Another example, sorting numbers in Python. Now let's explore some non-explicit programming. We also call it machine learning. In non-explicit programming, we move away from explicit programming way and instead allow algorithms to learn and make decisions based on the patterns in the data. For instance, machine learning models can be used for rain prediction. In rain prediction example, historical weather data like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover are analyzed by machine learning model to predict whether it will be rain or not. This helps in activities like agriculture and disaster management. Another example of non-explicit programming or machine learning can be price prediction. So machine learning models analyze factors such as stock prices, trading volumes, property features, and historical sales data. This aids in making informed decisions for stock trading and real estate environment. So machine learning leverages data analysis to identify patterns and accurately predict various domains. Another example can be spam filtering. For instance, in email spam filtering, rather than explicitly defining the spam rules, machine learning algorithms can analyze thousands of emails to learn from their characteristics and automatically classify incoming emails as a spam or non-spams. Handwriting recognition can be another example of machine learning. So instead of programming the rules for recognizing each handwritten character, machine learning models can be trained on a big data set of handwritten samples. This enables accurate recognition of various handwriting styles. So machine learning can uncover complex patterns and relationships in data. In summary, traditional programming is effective for solving specific problems with explicit instructions. Machine learning models allows computers to learn from data and generalize patterns, opening up new possibilities to tackle more complex problems.